Raja Ampat, the hidden paradise of the oceans. At the far eastern edge of Indonesia, off the coast of West Papua, lies Raja Ampat, a remote archipelago often called one of the last untouched Edens on Earth. Its name, meaning Four Kings, comes from the four main islands that anchor a chain of more than 1,500 smaller islets, limestone cliffs, and coral reefs. This is not just another tropical destination. Raja Ampat is the very heart of marine biodiversity, a living masterpiece shaped by millions of years of evolution. Beneath its crystal-clear waters unfolds an underwater world unlike anywhere else on the planet. Scientists often refer to Raja Ampat as a biological supermarket, home to over 600 species of coral and more than 1,700 species of fish. Giant manta rays glide effortlessly through the currents, while tiny pygmy seahorses hide among colorful sea fans. Reef sharks patrol the depths, and the rare walking shark, found almost nowhere else, makes its mysterious appearance. For divers and explorers, every descent feels like entering a new universe, full of surprises and vibrant life. Above the surface, the beauty continues. Towering karst cliffs rise dramatically from turquoise lagoons. Dense rainforests cover the islands, echoing with the calls of exotic birds, including the legendary bird of paradise. As the sun sets, painting the horizon in gold and crimson, Raja Ampat transforms into a living canvas, a place where sea, sky, and land merge into breathtaking harmony. But Raja Ampat is not only about nature, it is also a land of ancient traditions. For centuries, local communities have lived here in balance with the sea. Their wooden canoes glide silently across the water, and their fishing practices are deeply rooted in respect for the ocean. Visitors are often welcomed with warm smiles, traditional dances, and stories that connect the people to their ancestral islands. Today, Raja Ampat is recognized as one of the most precious ecosystems on Earth. Local communities and conservation groups work hand in hand to protect its fragile reefs and forests. Sustainable tourism plays a vital role in this mission, ensuring that each journey to Raja Ampat not only creates unforgettable memories, but also contributes to the preservation of this natural wonder. Raja Ampat is more than a destination. It is an awakening, a reminder of the beauty our planet still holds, and a call to protect it for generations yet to come. In the heart of the Pacific, hidden between the waves, lies a paradise that belongs not only to Indonesia, but to the entire world.